All right, welcome back. Congressional representation. All right, so there are three models of congressional representation that we're going to discuss in this video. The trustee model, delegate model, and the Politico model. Basically, the idea is depending on which one your representative embodies, it might affect how they vote for bills in Congress. The first model is a trustee model. This is where the representative will vote how she personally believes is best. This could go against the public opinion of people in her district. The idea is that of the trustee model and people who support it is that we vote for somebody because you think that they will make good judgments. So rather than try to micromanage them and demand that they vote exactly the way public opinion says at all times, we trust that they will use good judgment and vote in the best way for the district and for the country. So trustee, the representative uses their opinion and votes how they personally believe is best. With the delegate model, they're going to vote the way that their constituents want. So if there is public opinion, there are public opinion polls taken on a specific issue, they're going to vote the way that opinion wants them to vote. This could conflict with their own personal opinion, but the delegate model suggests that they believe that their job is they have their job because of their constituents, therefore they need to vote the way their constituents want, even if it goes against their opinion. And probably the most realistic model of the three is Politico, and this is where it depends on the specific situation. Sometimes they might vote as a delegate, other times as a trustee. And most likely, I would say the vast majority of representatives fall somewhere near this model. On some issues where public opinion is very strong, where people have a lot of knowledge about a particular vote, there will be a lot of pressure on that representative, and they would be more likely to vote as a delegate, doing what their constituents want and follow public opinion. However, a lot of votes that they make aren't that talked about in public. People don't have very much knowledge about those votes. There might not be a lot of polling on those issues, and so they are more free to vote how they feel is best. Another thing that could influence their decision of which one to act like is it an election year? Are they facing a tough election challenge? If they are in a close battle for re-election, they are probably more likely to act like a delegate and to do exactly what their people want to do so that they win a re-election. Senators are also more free to act as trustees because of that longer term that they enjoy in office of 6 years. So if they're not up for re-election for another 4, 5, 6 years, they have a lot more freedom to vote how they think is best. So each of these things influence ultimately how a representative is likely to vote. All right, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. This has been a La Money production.